Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my English language series. Today I'm going to discuss a very important topic in English language, that is interjection. Before interjection I have discussed the conjunctions in a brief detail, and today I'm going to discuss interjection. What is interjection? What are the use of interjection? We will discuss these in today's video, so stay tuned. And if you do not have subscribed to my channel The English Enthusiasm, please subscribe to English Enthusiasm for more videos like this. So, an interjection is a word which is used to express some sudden feelings, joy and sorrows. It is a word which shows emotions of a person. Like physically, from the very gesture or from the very body language of a person, we can conclude that whether he is happy, he is sad, he is emotional, he is celebrating, like he is mourning. So these are from the very body language of that person we can conclude. But how we will understand in speeches that what actually the person is feeling. So an interjection is a word which shows these type of feelings in written form. And for that purpose we use a mark which is called exclamation mark. So an exclamation mark actually denotes the emotions of a person, that what type of emotions or what type of feelings a person is going to feel. So an interjection is a word which shows strong feelings, emotions, the sadness and the happiness of a person in speech. So let's explore the interjection in more detail so you will understand it better. More precisely, an interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feelings, joy and sorrows. Like these are actually a type of feelings which comes very suddenly. For example, if a person is watching a movie or he is watching a cricket match, so what will happen next? So the happening actually make him surprised, and that surprising is actually the emotions which comes just because of interjection. For example, here I am writing some examples so you will understand it better. So here I have some examples of interjection. Number first is hurrah, we have won the match. So hurrah, it is actually the emotions or the feelings of that person. Hurrah. Number second is alas, my granny is no more. So alas is a kind of emotion which is used for sadness of someone or something. Number third is wow, what a beautiful car. So wow is a kind of emotion which expresses happiness of a person. Oops, my heart aches. So oops expresses, the sadness of a person. Oh, I see, again it's a very surprising. So all these are denoted by the exclamation mark, this one. So without exclamation mark, an interjection will not be completed. So exclamation mark is actually used to denote the interjection in written form, or you can say simply in speech. Although an interjection have no grammatical value, but you can say it is very important to express, like to show the emotions or the feelings of a person. So we can simply denote the interjection with the help of the exclamation mark. So I hope you will have understand interjection in a very better way. If you have any question, so you can ask in the comment section below. And if you do not have subscribed to English Enthusiasm, so don't forget to subscribe my channel The English Enthusiasm and hit the bell icon so you will receive the notification of my upcoming videos as well. So stay tuned for more videos like this, and Allah Hafiz.